Alright guys, in today's video we're going to go to a local charity car show. Children's Miracle Network is putting on a car show here in town. So we're going to go support that, and I think we're going to take the Vet, which no one's really seen or heard from for a long time. But it's up and running. We're still working out a few kinks and bugs. 3D printer's going. That'll be an upcoming video about what we got going on here. Deal with networking, technology, and other stuff. But anyway, that's what today's video is about. Hope you guys enjoy. Guys, we're gonna let it warm up a little bit, and then we're gonna hit the road and go to the show and see what's up. But for anybody that hasn't seen the car, and well, the car hasn't been on the channel a long time, I'm gonna add in some videos, so this is kind of just we're jumping in the future. I have a lot of videos of why this car's been down so long, everything we did to the car. Goes back on, limit the cars up front, S71, 17 in the back. So, we're gonna head to the show and see what's all going on there. You guys, thanks for watching that video. Consider subscribing, it helps the channel grow. Subscribe button right here. Check out the video over here. Do whatever you want to do. Comment, like, share. Appreciate you either way. See you guys in the next one.